free. Touch me and I'm waiting. I'm a better in the way. And I can wait to feel you touching me again. With you, I'm just another woman. Just another woman in love. So pardon me, I should stay. Tremble like try. Get one and two all over your face, driving me high. I'm just what you make me and wait till baby they set all my feelings free. Know that you can, so come be my man. Not wanna be just another woman in love. Fire up and I'm waiting, better in the way, and I can bear to feel you touching me again. If you want another woman, just another woman in love. Just another woman in love. Get out of me. I fired up the drum. Another touch me and I'm waiting. I'm a better in the way. And I can wait to feel you touching me again. With you, I'm just another woman. Just another woman in love. Just stress about the situation in our country. Such situation that I don't want to think about it for tonight. I'm tired. I don't have the time for it. I'm just praying that everything is going to be okay, in control of our God, that all these evils will just go away and be vanished in this country. Or if there's someone needed to be punished, they should be punished right away. It's just too much for us. All right. I'm going to sing another song. Hi, John Paul. Good morning there. How about you, my love? How are you today? You cooking? Mega love shout out to everyone in the chat from my love Johnny RG. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Hello, Paul, Charlie, Strada, Sir Lauren. On the day that you were born, we just got together to make our dreams come true. So they sprinkle moments to him. Your eyes are blue. Thank you. That is what all the girls in town follow you all around, just like me. They long to be close to you. Hello po, please that. Hello po. Say hi. On the day that you were born, we got together, decided to create our dreams come true. Sun is twinkle on us in head, so you guys that is why all the girls in town I knew all around just like me long to be to you just like me they long to be to you. You why close to you? Why close to you? Close to you. Thank you so much. Welcome everyone. Good evening. Ayan. We are live now here in Philippines. Thank you so much po sa participation mo, Shelly Estrada. Hello, King! Certificate say, mega love shout out, King. How are you today and tomorrow and yesterday? How are you guys? Hello, King! Welcome to my live. Thank you so much for being here. What's up, King? So I hope you guys like those songs that I sing. So I would just like to entertain you all. Hello, Queen. Hello, King. Shout out, King. Thank you, my love, for the applause. Thank you so much. Ayan. Thank you, thank you. 5 million in the house. I know Filipinos are sleeping now. This is almost midnight. It's 11:42 p.m. here in the Philippines. Hello, Uncle Bear. Bear Villanueva is in the house. Welcome to my live, everyone. Ayan, magandang gabi po, Uncle Bear. Kumusta po kayo? Ayan, if you have any request, you can make a request as long as I know the song, then I'll try my very best to sing it. Though we're not the professional singer, but we're trying hard here. Sana all. Ayan. Good evening, host from Bell Villanueva. Good evening din po. Ayan. Uh, I didn't connect this yet. I just connected to her to Luxor TV earlier, and look at her. She is here now. So if you connect to this lady, probably she will connect back to you. So please do. Thank you. Ayan. Ayan, sis Shali, all these people who are participated in my live stream are very supportive as well. They are my regular supporters, and please connect to each of them. Thank you. All right. Mega love shout out to Server Villanueva from my love GRG. Okay, I'm gonna sing another song, guys. Okay, it's an acoustic song. Okay, hang on. My angel is cooking noodles with egg. I was standing all alone against you were such for a place to hide. Lost and lonely, now you're giving me the world to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Don't you worry, sometimes you just gotta let it ride. What is changing right before your eyes? Now I found you, there's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Thank you. Die for you. Climb the highest mountain. Baby, there's nothing I can do. Now I found you. There's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, I will keep us alive. Big love shout out to everyone. Hello there. Shelly, Estrada, Georgie, communication, other guys. Thank you. You have your friends already. You're able to go to channel. I will die for you. Climb the highest mountain. Baby, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I was standing all alone against the world outside. You were searching, hello, Trumpet Master, for a place to hide. Lost and lonely, now you're giving me the world to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Thank you. My live stream, Trumpet Master 77 Barbecue. Welcome, welcome, sir. Ayan, thank you for participating in my live today. Thank you very, very much. Ayan, si Shally, baka gusto mong dikitan si Sir Trumpet Master. Sir Trumpet Master, sorry, you don't have wrench. I'll give you your wrench back. It's completely with downy. Sana all. with fabric conditioners, right? And if you have any requests, please let me know. Maybe you have a song or favorite song that you wanted me to sing or wanted me to, or if maybe you like to sing up here. Let's rock and roll, guys. Sana all. And I'm going to sing another acoustic song. Do you like acoustic song, guys? It's relaxing music. Thank you, Raquel. You're welcome, sir. You know the song? You know the title of the song? Oceans above, day after day, and I slowly go understand. I hear your heart on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. I see you next to never. How can we say forever? Wherever you go, wherever you do, I will be right here waiting. Wherever you take, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting. Although I take for granted all the time that I don't yes now. I heard the laughter, I taste the tea. I can't get near you now. Can you see it, baby? You've got me going crazy. Wherever you go, wherever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Wherever you take, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this moment. But in the end, if I were you, I'll take a chance. Let's do it, guys. Oh, can you see it, baby? You got me going crazy. Wherever you go, wherever you do, I will be right here waiting. Whatever it takes, my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Thank you, Andrew. Bigay mo lang siya kung
Maganda na? Malakas pa!
I said I asked water to my daughter. And okay, we have a request here from Sir Trumpet Master. Let me have some drink. Not sure if I knew the song. Do I know the song Live to Tell, Madonna? No, I don't know. If I know, I I don't know. Sana all. Let me check this. Do I know the song? Do I know the song? Leave the town. Wait a minute. Wait this up. Um, I'm sorry, Sir Trumpet Master. I don't know the song from this lady. Sheila Moni Media, hello. Shout out po. Welcome to my live. Wait a minute. Okay. Let me give you. Okay, thank you. Maybe you have another song that you like, except this song. Madonna. I'm not really. No, this Madonna is she always sing high notes. I'm only for second voice. Maybe next time. What do you mean next time? Maybe next time. That's the title, or what? Just next time. Okay. Mm. Hello, Shalamoni Medga. Welcome to my live. Uncle Bear, thank you. Maybe next time. Is that the title or just next time? Maybe. By Jamie. Maybe you can learn it and sing it. Ah, okay. Sana all. All right. All right. Yeah, I will try to learn that. Live to Tell by Madonna. I'll screenshot that one. Hello, Joseph Ricaport in my Facebook page. We're also live in Facebook, guys, through my two Facebook. I think, I'm not sure. It's under my, wait a minute. First two, Escal Okba Open and Filipino Record TV. So we're both live on two different Facebook page along with our YouTube. So guys, if you not yet connected to my YouTube, please do come and join in Filipino Record TV. So let's go search it. Sheila Moni Media, shout out po. Okay, I'm gonna sing Lady Gaga instead, all right? Thank you so much.
Karaoke TV.
Thank you, Joseph, for coming in. Did Arizona the sky, burning in your eyes? You look at me, and babe, wanna catch on fire. Spirit in my soul, the California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all trapped up to us, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I always remember us this way. Hours in the night, always trying to ride. We don't know how to ride, don't we try? Oh, you will the part of me that you. So when I'm all checked out, I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, always remember I this way. Memories, baby. So when I'm all dressed up, I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, always remember right this way. Hey, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I always remember us this way. Thank you. Welcome, my love, Archie. Make a love shout out. Love you, my love. All right. Let's sing that. Just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. I felt like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and when I started. be in my tangled set of mind. I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Turn between the love and the life you leave behind. You leave it for disaster, 'cause you never decide. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just a shadow of the man I used to be. And it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I ever do is bring you down. How would it be if you were standing in my shoes? And you see that it's impossible to choose. No, there's no making sense of it. Every way I go, I'm bound to lose. Oh, yeah. Too much love will kill you. As you shine, I'll take the crown that I see you. Make you break. The victim of your pride. Too much love will kill you every time. So don't fall in love too much, guys, okay? Because it will kill you. Yeah, too much love will kill you. It'll make you like cry. Yes, too much love will kill you. And you won't understand why. You think that it's sad, but here it comes again. Too much love will kill you. Yeah. Thank you. All right. Lying beside you, hearing the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, your soul's at sea. How could our love be so blind? We sailed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you without believe what I say. So here you'll see that you love me enough. Living without you, living this empty house seems so cold. Wanting to hold you, you need how I'm trying to pin you home. But now you come back tonight today. I need you to stay. But now you belong. So here without hoping you'll see what you love is me now. Thank you so much. I waver into the midnight sun, surrounded on my mind. Restless heart, sleep alone tonight, sending all my own goodbye. They say that the road ain't no place to start traveling. Right down the line, spend you and me. And I faithfully. I'm forever yours. Believe. Sorry for my connection. My wife is on and off. It's really bad. PLDT is really bad. And my voice is bad and my Wi-Fi is bad. Oh my God. Because people are running away now. Mega love shout out to everyone. Hello, hello guys. Shout out to all. Okay. I think like this.
Ang bawat biyahe ko.
I was wrong when I hurt you. You hurt me too. Do you think revenge will make it better? I don't care about the past. I just want my love to last. There's a way to bring us back together. I must forgive you, and I must forgive me too. If you wanna try to put things back the way they used to be, there's no sense of going over and over the same things as before. So let's not bring the past anymore. Out of all the good he had, he could only keep trying to that. So you know I never loved him. Didn't anyone tell you yet to forgive is to forget? How can you be good? Remember, I must forgive you. You must forgive me too. I wanna try to put things back the way it used to be. 'Cause there's no sense in going over and over the same things as before. So let's not bring the past anymore. Hello, Diba? must forgive you, and you must forgive me too. It's the only thing that I tried to do. One thing I do, or will work that I've tried before. That's not way the past anymore. Thank you. Thank you for those who are staying. Hello, Mommy. There's no ordinary song. A special girl like you. From the simple guy. So in love with you. Kumusta po, Mami? Not a much to show. No diamonds that glow. Limousine to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself try to hold the games you play, in the world stands so unfair, you can only say, take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song. Thank you, Mommy. Just an ordinary song. A special girl like you. From a simple guy. So in love with you. I don't even have a look to make you glance my way. The close I reach just answer. But deep inside me is you. You give life to what I do. All those years may see you through. Till I'll be waiting for you. If you have time, please lend an ear to this ordinary song. It's an ordinary song. A special girl like you. From a simple girl, so in love with you. Sana all. Sana all in love, Mami Kim. Sana totoo na. Sana walang joke. Thank you very much.
Para may tulong sa tibay.
Sana hindi joke yung pag ano. Yung in love. Love ba, Mami? Ikaw, Mami. Sino ang love mo? May jowa ka na dyan, di ba, Mami? Sana nga, anak. Sana all. Sana all talaga. Hi, Sir Skull Ergans. Mega love, shout out. Thank you for coming in. Ayan, si Mami Kim. Shout out, sir. Like 9, all my support is always. Thank you so much. Ayan, Mami Kim, si Sir Skull. Do you know each other already? Ano ba yan? Ano yung mga wifi nyo? Tapon nyo na yan. Wait, guys. Wait. What do you want? Kill my... Hello? Hello? Seems like getting difficulties. It's just because it's too hot here and I want my fan to be up on my legs. Because my legs is sweating. Wait again. Wait. Down in my legs. Legs sweating. Yes, there you go. So, wala pa na nag-asawa ng hawa ko na kaya naghanap na din aki ng hawa. Nung hawa, 6 gusto ko. 6? Mami? Gusto mo 6? Hiyaw mo ng isa lang? Mami Kim, you want 6 boyfriend? Are you sure? Mami Kim, you want 6 boyfriend, ha? So many naman. Only one, Mami Kim. You want to collect and select? Oh no. We've already connected to each other na. Meow. Ah, okay. Jowa. Ano na? Jowa? Hola. Hola la. My Wi-Fi is bad. Oh, you want 1 week boyfriend? Do you want Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, ng Sunday na meow? Huh? So you don't want only 6, you want 7 boyfriend, Mami Kim? Oh my God. Mikin, that's a lot. Wow. How you doing, my friends? Well, Ergans? I need your Ergan in my life. Huh? I'm fine, thanks for asking, my dear Kim Dancel, and I hope you. Tubangan mo, tubangan. Mami Kim wants 7 boyfriend, my love. 1 week boyfriend. There's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. my God. Who wants to apply for the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Come on, guys. The meow open for my sana. Mami Kim, manghapdi yang meow mo dyan. Your meow will be ouchie 1 week. Oh my goodness. Orphan ha, Lenda Boni. Hoy, Haroldo. Thank you to my friend Gal Erg. Mami Kim, manghapdi yang bilat mo dyan. Grabe, dami naman yung gustuhin mo. You're updating your computer. My computer is on and off. Yung wifi ko, Mami Kim, taghirap man, on and off. Babayad ko lang. Usado ng PBT. Babayad ko lang, tapos on and off. Ano yun? Okay, I will sing another song, Mami Kim. There's a look in your eyes, must be love. You were just part of my dream. Nothing more see. We'll wait much longer. Can't forget the picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, more time, we'll be together. Little smile, special smile, the twinkle in your eye, in your blue eye. Give it time, a little more time, we get closer. You and I. Could I love you more, so much stronger than before? Why does it seem like a dream? So much more, so deep. I guess with just one smile, we take a step away. And you'll say, with me now, the closer I get, the closer I get to life. Hang on. Required apply need have airplane, airport for own landing, need 100 cars and need 100 helicopters, 100 hotel, and 100 condominium. Kim, are you 100%? I think you are not 100%, Mami Kim. Are you lose your mind, Mami Kim? I think Mami Kim lose her mind now. Sana all, Mami Kim. Ang laki naman ng pangarap mo, Mami Kim. Sana nga magkatotoo yung ganyan, Mami Kim. Malay mo, Mami Kim, meron na palang nag-isip-isip sa'yo dyan. Si Trump kaya, kabitin. Pero parang hindi pa yata 100 yung aeroplano ni Trump. Does Trump have 100 aeroplane? Sana. Mami Kim, pag ayos, pag sure daw ay nagyaw-yaw. Mami Kim, are you drunk? I think you are drunk. Okay, let me continue, Mami Kim. Okay? Give it a time, just a little more time. We'll be together. Every little time. Twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it a time, more time, so we can get closer. You and I. Sana all. Hello, Mami Kim. Thank you. Pinatawa mo ako ng 100 din, Mami Kim. Peekaboo. Uy, sis Emily, hindi ka patulog? Lungkot. Anong lungkot? Ang longest mo kasi na kaya pinapayawa kita, ha? Pinapayawa. Anong longest? Pag sure da, Mami, uy. Bakit ka malungkot na? Gusto ko yung dating masayahin ka. Nakikita mo ba, Mami? Bakit ka manghuhula, Mami? Kailan ka naging manghuhula? Mami, na-scam kasi ako ng 366,000, Mami. Ikaw, Mami, matutuwa ka kaya, Mami? 366,000 mawala sa iyo, Mami. Tatawa lang tayo. Ang lungkot mo kasi kaya pinapatawa kita na. Hindi, pagod lang ako din, Mami, kasi naglaba ako buong araw eh. Saka malungkot yung kanta kasi. Yung kanta ba, malungkot. Okay, another song. Late in the evening, wondering what she puts on her makeup, brushes her long hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I see you look wonderful now. We go to the party, everyone turns to see this beautiful land. Walking around with me, and then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is just you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. Ay nako, mami, yung wifi ko, mami. Patay-patay. Yung wifi ko. Bye na muna na. Alis na ako. Sige po, mami. Ingat po kayo. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Oh, sis Emeline, if you want to, okay, let me drop the link. Hindi ba mag-ingay tayo dyan sa inyo? Hindi ba tulog na yung mga bata? Okay lang? Wait. Ano nga ba yun? Teka lang. Invite pala. No? Hindi na ako marunong mag-ano. Wait a minute. Alright. Ano ba yung kakantahin mo, Sis Emily? What you sing? Good night, host. Wala pinaantok na. Bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you po, Uncle Bear. Salamat po. Have a great night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Sweet dreams po. Maraming salamat, Uncle Bear. On and off yung wifi ko. Pangit yung connection. Nag-enjoy lang ako, Uncle Bear. Stress. Ang tanggal ng stress para makatulog. Okay, tapusin ko tong isang kanta dito. po. Pa-support naman. Si Emeline, support mo to si Emeline. Kasi mabait ko siya eh. Si Emeline, puntahan mo yan si Emeline ha. Mabait kasi siya eh. Thank you po. Correct. Tell me only this, that I'll have your heart for always, and you want me by your side, whispering the words I always love you, and forever I will be your lover. And I know if you really care, I will always be there. Now I need you to tell me there's no one love like your love. And as long as I live, I'll give you all the joy my heart is softly. Let me hold you. I need to have you near me. And I feel with you in my arms. This love will last forever because I'm truly in love with you, girl. I'm truly better than anything else with your love. I need you, and with your love I'm free. am truly. You know you're all right with me. Sana all. Alright, this is Emmeline. Welcome to my panel. Woo! Viewers na this is Emmeline. Bakit pa isa, pa zero na yung viewers ko? Ilan ang viewers sa'yo dyan? Sa akin kasi isa-isa lang.
Hey po sila. Good evening everyone.
Evening sis Emmeline. Ngit-ngit lagi diha.
Ngit-ngit gud sila kayo. Natulog na sa Renier.
Katugon ako. Katugon nga di pa makatug kay stress ko. Sabi ko, idaan ko na lang sa
Nakatulog
kapaguran ba?
na sa
Anong awitin mo sis Emmeline? Kakanta ka ba?
kung pwede po.
Okay, let's go.
Okay guys, I will sing you guys. Like
Let's
Charot guys.
watch.
You guys,
Ayan,
I will
guys.
sing guys.
Listen for Emmeline Lucello.
Thank you Cecilia for accepting.
You're welcome, sis Emmeline. Let's go.
Minsan natikman ang init ng iyong halik. Akala ko narating ko na ang ulap sa langit. Sa aking pagpikit, ang tanging naisip, ikaw nasa hanggang wakas ang aking panaginip. Ngunit biglang nagbago ka, hindi na madama. Kapag kapiling na kita, malamig ka na, bakit ganyan iyong pag-ibig? Nang akala ko ay langit, nilaraman pusang nangilip, sa'yo kabuhay na gayuma. Pag-iwas na di ko na kaya, pa rin ang lason mong halik. Ako'y nadati-rati, kay init ng iyong niyag. Agad akong nadadarag kapag ikaw ay umayakap. Buhay nag-iisa, laging nilalamig na wala ng lahat. Ito'y naging panaginip, ngunit biglang nalaywag ka. Hindi na madama kapag kapiling na kita, nalalamig ka na. Bakit yung pag-ibig ng akala ko ay langit, nilaraman puso ng idlit, sa kapmuhay na gayuma. Pag-ibasari ko na tayo, dahil pa rin ang sumali.
Ay, ito pa. Hindi pa pala tapos.
Puso kaya nagayuma ko na kaya pari sunungali ang lason mo ngali. Thank you, Susila.
Welcome, Emeline. Thank you din po. Wala na tayong viewers, Sis Emeline. 0. Hindi ba tayo mas-CPR niyan? Kasi mostly kasi ng Tagalog nagbibigay ng CPR. Baka mas-CPR ako dyan, Sis Emeline. Sis Emeline, baka mas-CPR ako sa kanta mo. Kakaano ko lang ng strike ko.
Po?
Baka ma-strike ako sa kanta mo. Hindi mo ba alam yung kanta na yan? Baka magbigay ng strike sa akin.
Hindi naman po si Silab, good for the video, kaya yata to si Silab.
Sure ka?
Opo.
Trinay mo na ba yan sa channel mo? Yung kanta na yan?
Sa ano lang po, sa Facebook, pero okay lang naman po siya, wala po siyang
Hindi, sa YouTube
wala
ah.
po
Sa YouTube. Hindi mo pa na-try sa YouTube yan?
hindi pa po sila, pero sa Facebook okay lang naman po siya, wala po siyang
Hindi, yung ano ko lang sa YouTube kasi iba kasi ang Facebook, iba yung YouTube eh. Natakot kasi ako kasi hindi pa tapos yung strike ko sa Emeline eh. Baka yung maawit mo is magbibigay ng strike sa akin ulit. Wag na lang yung Tagalog pagkanta ka ha. Kasi yung Tagalog songs kasi, kaya tinanong kita kanina kung ano yung kakantahin. Dapat yung English na lang pagka makanta ka kay mahilig kasi mga strike ng mga Tagalog song.
okay po.
Oo. Marami kasing Tagalog na hindi sila, ayaw nila ng copyright. Lalo na pag sa YouTube. Sensitive masyado ang YouTube kasi. Lalo na ngayon, meron silang bagong update about sa copyright. Iba kasi sa Facebook, iba rin sa YouTube eh. Kasi ang YouTube kasi more on original. Originality kasi ang pinapaano ng YouTube. Kaya pag Tagalog songs talaga, malimit yan. Strike or CPR or hindi siya good for sharing pag Tagalog. Napapansin ko yun kasi nung meron akong share na video, tas Tagalog siya. Hindi siya good for sharing.
So English po si Silab.
Oo, English lang. Pagka kumanta ka, English lang kantahin mo. Ha?
Okay
Kasi
po.
hindi pa kasi tapos yung strike ko si Emeline eh. Nandyan pa yung strike ko, kaya ayoko ma-strike ako ulit dahil sa Tagalog song.
Sorry po si Silab.
Okay, thank you. Nag-ano siya oh. Nagdilaw. Nagdilaw yung kanta mo.
Hindi talaga siya pwede.
English na lang kung kakanta ka. Wag lang Laila, ay wag lang yung Hotel California.
Po.
Sabihin mo sa akin yung title bago mo awitin ha, kasi para alam ko kung ano yung mga kantahin mo kasi. Mahirap na kasi, may strike pa kasi ako, hindi pa ako tapos sa strike ko.
Opo.
3 months yan eh, matagal pa yan eh, strike ko. Baka ma-strike ako ulit.
Sorry po.
Nagdilaw kasi siya eh. Nang kinanta yung Tagalog. Kaya di ba malimit, hindi ako masyado kumakanta ng Tagalog, minsan lang. Kasi mostly ang Tagalog talaga nagbibigay ng style.
Opo.
Tanggalin ko na lang muna yung monetization dito kasi mahirap na eh. Awit ka pa, Emeline. English na lang. English ka kanta.
Sila po. Sorry po.
Hindi, tinanggal ko na lang yung monetization ko. Kasi nagdilaw siya eh.
Sa mga English na lang po.
Sabihin mo sa akin yung title mo na bago ka kanta ha. Or
Yung
i-type mo.
duck climb po
Ha?
sa silab, yung duck climb. Duck climb.
Ano yan?
Duck climb.
Sino singer niya?
Miley Cyrus.
Ay, hindi pwede yun.
Ah,
May mga songs nga kasi na hindi pwede.
okay po.
Maraming ano ngayon na nag-claim nga ng strike. Kaya yung ina-aware ko kasi bagong update kayo ng YouTube. Di ba shinare ko sa community ko yung about sa ano, reuse content. Means may original owner yung isang content or song. So yun ang dapat yan. May yung mga inaawit ko kasi yan ang mostly kung good for sharing. Pero yung mga kanta na masyadong sikat na, hindi na sila nagpapa copyright or otherwise, mo ask muna ng permission legally. Mahirap mga kanta nilang
Mm.
ito yung mga kinakanta ko, ito yung mga old song. Hindi
Ay, yung
naman
mga
sila masyadong. O, pag yung mga bago ngayon, malimit yan, nagbibigay ng strike.
Okay po.
Yung halimbawa, yung owner, minsan, hindi sila nagbibigay. Pero yung mga nagka-cover song, yun ang humahabol sa copyright. Which is, yun ang kalimitan ng nangyayari. May mga nagka-cover song, sila yung nagdaan. Right?
Mm.
Yan ang iwasan. Masira ang channel natin yan.
Ay, yung nagdudulaw pala si sila. Kasi mayroon akong na, ano sa channel ko, yung nagdudulaw, hindi pala maganda.
Hindi.
Ah,
Wala kang ads. Yan. Minsan walang ads lalabas sa'yo.
opo, kasi
Naglilimit.
dulaw.
Hmm.
Opo.
Pwede mo naman yun i-request ng review, ipapa-review mo siya na wala. Pero pag dilaw pa din, means may ano siya, may something. Hindi siya good for sharing content.
Opo.
May
O,
mga songs
nire-request ko
talaga.
rin sa
Hmm? Iba kasi ang platform ng Facebook. Iba yung platform. Okay.
okay po.
Ito nga po. Parang may allergy ay may ano kasi kung tingnan ko. Tawag mo. Infection, nagka-infection kasi po sa headset. Kaya naiiwasan mo mag-ano ng mga copyright kasi minsan hindi natin alam na masira na pala yung channel natin. Kasi ano kasi nag-warning ako ng isang
Opo.